Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, February 18th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to let everyone know that there is a new ebook out by Matthew May. He's the owner of Classified Submissions, and basically it's a list of 30 plus classified sites that you can use to advertise your LiveGood business opportunity. All right, this isn't going to be, you're not going to get junk traffic from this. These are actual classified sites where real people go and visit that are interested in making money from home opportunities. Okay, so you can click the link down in the description box. It'll take you over to this page, and then you can see here, there's a whole bunch of different places that you can use. So I've always used classified sites, and I've been an affiliate of Classified Submissions for years. I really like everything that Matthew and his team does over there, and so this is something you want to check out if you're looking for new ways to promote your LiveGood opportunity, okay? And one other thing while I'm on here, I just want to show you how quickly we are growing. Now, you can see here I joined LiveGood back on December 21st, all right? We officially launched globally, I believe it was December 13th, all right? So just right about a week after the company launched globally, I joined. Now, if you look up here, we have 47,099 members joined after I joined. All right, we have over 50,000 people in this company right now. So on Thursday's cutoff, we had over 2,000 people join. And, the company is just on fire. This is the time to get in this opportunity, is right now, okay? It's predicted that there's going to be over 1 million people in this company by the end of the year. And once you lock in your position in the matrix, that means the 950,000 people that are going to join between now and the end of the year, they're all going to have to fall under you somewhere in the matrix, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean they're going to be in your matrix, but it's a good chance that you're going to get some spillover, and your matrix will start filling up rather quickly, okay? So anyway, I'm super excited about that. I can't believe that we're in over 50,000 members already. Now is the best time to join, all right? If you didn't join back when I joined or the week before I joined, this is the second best time to join, is right now. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. For $49.95 for your first month and only $9.95 thereafter, you can make some really good money with this company. And what's more important is the products, okay? Let me just show you these products really quick. All right, these are the highest quality products on the market right now. This is Heart Month, right? February is Heart Health Month. We have the organic Super Reds. I wake up and drink this organic coffee every single morning. I'm actually going to be placing another order as soon as I'm done shooting this video. But this is organic coffee. It's fiber for weight management. There's maca for mental clarity. There's green tea for brain function. It has 6 different mushrooms in here for your immune system. And it tastes really, really good. I'm not even a coffee drinker. And I ordered the maximum energy pack, and I started drinking this, and I'm hooked on it. I wake up each morning looking forward to drinking my cup of coffee, okay? So you can get a 30-day supply of this for $17.95, folks. All right, it's crazy. Look at our competitors. This right here has 10 packets. All right, so this is a third. You get 10 days of coffee with this. All right, 10 days of coffee with this. For $40. Then we have the Rise Mushroom Coffee for $35. I guarantee that's not even a full month supply. This is a full month supply for $17.95. So the products are awesome. They're the highest quality ingredients you can find on the planet. The membership price is only $9.95 a month after your initial $40 payment to become an affiliate. And the earning potential is absolutely unlimited with this company, okay? The earnings disclaimer is down in the video description too, by the way. But check it out. If you haven't checked it out already, you don't want to miss this opportunity. Click on the link in the description. You'll be taken over to my tour page here. We have a 5-minute and 55-second video you can watch that explains everything in great detail. You enter your first, last name, and a valid email address, and click reserve my position now. And yeah, that's it. You don't want to miss this. So anyway, the whole point of this video, I'm getting off track. The whole point of this video was to, if you're looking for a place to advertise LiveGood, click the link. It'll take you over to this new ebook. It is rebrandable, so you can put your links in there if you want to. but there's 30 plus sites of classified sites that you can use to promote LiveGood. All right, so that's it for this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch all my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.